There's a quick and easy video on how to get to Yokosuka from Haneda. See out there, 2019. That one there is going to be going south. It's going to Yokohama. Jump on that, go to Keikyu. When you get to Keikyu, you're going to switch off, go to platform 3, jump off of that, go to Yokosuka. And that's our boy right there. That's the train bound for Yokohama and Shinzushi. Or wait, what did I say? Ha! Yeah, okay, that's the right one. Like I said, Keikyu. This is how you get on a train though. You got to be quick and get a seat as soon as possible. So girls, get ready to move. Over here, girls.
Lisa, sit next to me, Lisa.
All right, quick and easy again. Don't get confused. We came off on 1. I forgot to get video of that, but you can see it up there. There's a big 1, there's a big 3. Right? Again, if you look this direction, there's a big 1 over here and there's a big 3 over here. So all you do is you hop off the train on 1, come over to this side, go to 3. Pull out your handy dandy smartphone if you're confused, or go over that sign over there and you'll see there's going to be a train. That train's going to go all the way down to Yokosuka. And that's it. Okay, here comes our train. See this giant crowd? That was literally 1 minute ago. Train pulled up, dropped a whole bunch of people off. If you're ever confused, look for Americans. Look for Americans and they will get you in the right direction. No, we're not good enough for that train. That's an express, okay? Delay my last. It'll be the next train. All right, here we go again. This is the correct train. We're gonna hop on this big red sucker here. It's full of people, a lot of people. You see you got the Walking Dead to the right, and then you follow the train over, you got the Walking Dead to the left, and again, follow Americans if you get confused. This is gonna suck. On the side, girls. This is what to expect on the train. Shoved into a corner. Nobody puts baby in the corner. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's the English? Trying to show you. Trying to show you. Anyway. And that's it. We did it. Getting from Haneda Airport to Yokosuka took about an hour and 5 minutes. Fairly simple.